Today's a special day. If you can't tell by our outfits, today is the gender reveal day and the day that we find out what our little baby's gonna be.
I said girl.
Well, there it is. We are going to be girl parents. We're super excited and going through the process of trying to figure out girl names, which is
We thought we had names, but now we're finding other ones.
kind of hard, but we'll find one. It's gonna be a big change next year with a new family member. Little girl running around the house to take care of and keep entertained.
Yeah.
But we're excited and can't wait for her to be here. Thanks for watching our gender reveal, guys, and make sure to check out our other videos and come back every other Sunday for a new video. But thanks again. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next one.